Hey everybody, what's going on? Gaming Grandpa here. Listen, man, I got vertical installed into OBS, smooth as silk. So I got it set up right now to capture clips in a TikTok format. Real easy to do, real simple. I don't have a stream deck, so I just utilize the settings within OBS, and then I utilize the hotkeys and just go in there and look for vertical start recording, pick a key, vertical stop recording, pick a key, and you can also vertical backtrack, save replay, pick a key. And if you use replay buffer, pick a key. So those are what I have set up. So I can now stream with a click of a button. I can record until I click it again and it stops recording on the spot, or I can hit a key and it'll capture the last 30 seconds all within that new vertical window TikTok format live while I'm streaming. And I'm looking forward to that. Incredible. Haven't even looked at streaming the TikTok yet, just setting up the recording aspects for the uploads where I do upload. So I'll give you some more context as I move forward with this and test it. Let me know what you think. If you got any questions, drop them in the comments and I'll do what I can to help you out. Have a great day.